I have been associated as a distributor for Andhra Pradesh for the last, I would say, 45 days, and it has been wonderful so far. The material is quite promising in terms of the quality that they are able to give, and it's like gold that is not discovered yet by people. So I feel that it is going to come as a boom in the market, and right now it's just the initial teething phase that we are going through. So, in terms of manufacturing, there is a difference in how the primary route that we are using also, which we are the Asia's the first endless casting, what we call, from the raw material till the end product, that is thermomechanically treated rebars are manufactured. The process is in one go. There is no break at all. If there is any maintenance or something, the whole process stops. So this is what is called endless casting, and it's the first in Asia. Thanks to Daniele for setting it up for Jairaj here. So if we come to the consistency, obviously the quality of the rebar from the first meter till the last meter, as we all know that it's a 12-meter bar. It's really important, and when it comes to the feature like endless casting, there is consistency throughout the whole batch that is manufactured, which the other manufacturers may not able to give. So if there is a test being done for the first meter and the last meter, there might be a variation in the parameters that we get as results. So that way we are at a very big advantage that this endless casting has come as a blessing to us. And apart from this, we use a energy optimizing furnace in place of a basic oxygen furnace, which others use, which further refines the steel and improves the level of sulfur and phosphorus. Yes, I think Mr. S.K. Goenka ji only is truly passionate about steel making. So, looking at that passion and the product that he has, been able to bring to the world, it's something very new to India at the moment, but it will not be new for a long time. It will get adapted, and people will start talking about it a lot. And like I said, it's some vision that he has seen as he has discovered gold at an early stage in this industry. And kudos to him for his thought and all the effort that is put behind for this plant.